Railroad spikes are a load of medium carbon, so they don't make the best knife. You'll have to sharpen the edge a lot. The railroad spike I'm forging today, I've had someone ask me to make it. They're just going to be hanging it up on their wall, so it'll work just fine for them. It's also really good if you're learning to forge. It's easier to move this steel than it is other steels, so it's a good one to practice on. But if you are trying to make a knife that you can use a lot, don't have to sharpen every couple times you use it, then I would go with a different kind of steel. While I was twisting the handle, I clamped this a little bit too low. So I churned where I didn't want it to churn. I'm gonna see if I can fix that. But I also made the second one, which turned out great on the twist. So I'm gonna shape this one a little bit more on the tip and then see if I can fix that a little bit. It's not too bad. One of the spirals comes out a little farther than I wanted, but I should be able to fix that. So here's what I've got so far. I'm gonna fix that, make sure I have everything shaped how I want. I have on this one, on the edge, I have it the thickness that I want. It's almost perfect for how I like to do it. This one's a little bit thinner, but that's okay. So I'll get these shaped up, and then I'll do the heat treat, and then I can do the finished grinding. So after cutting through the cardboard and chopping the wood, it's still pretty sharp, but it will need to be sharpened soon. So these are great for practicing forging, or if you just want a display piece. But they're not the best for a knife you're going to actually use. So if you are going to make a knife you want to use, I would get some good steel. But these are fun and good for practicing. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one.